is the Nintendo 2 Switch. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. There's two ways to do a factory reset. One way is you can boot up into the recovery mode and factory reset from there. And the other way is if you go ahead and just log in, and then from here you just want to go to the settings, system settings. From here on the left pane, go all the way down. Very bottom should say system. Tap on system. From here, you want to scroll down to the very bottom. It says clear, data clear options. Tap on that right there. And you can read all through those there as well. And the bottom here says restore factory settings. Let's tap on that right there. Now all this is pretty important, so make sure you read all through this. After that, you tap on next. Next. Make sure you read that, and if you want to proceed, you tap on restore factory settings. Okay, for me, I don't want a factory reset, so I'm just going to go ahead and cancel, and I'll just go back home.